Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bglam here, and for today's review, we are going to finally be reviewing those Jaclyn Hill palettes that everybody is talking about. Now, I did buy the palettes a few weeks ago when they first came out, but I hadn't had a chance to do a review yet, so we are going to do that tonight. I haven't heard so many great things about these palettes. However, by the time that the news came out about the palettes being, shady, I had already purchased them and I wanted to come to my own conclusion myself as well. So I went ahead and kept them, and we're going to do a review on them tonight. But I will not lie, I did try and swatch them a few minutes before the video, and they did not swatch that well. Especially with me being a chocolate girl, I really wanted them to be really pigmented so that it could show. Not saying that it won't show, but with the swatches that I did take, I wasn't really too impressed, but I'm still willing to give the palette a shot and kind of see what we can do with it. So I'm just going to show all of them to you guys just in case you haven't seen them yet, which I'm sure you have because everybody's seen them. So for the first palette, this is it. I believe this one is called, yes, Ring the Alarm. This is the Ring the Alarm palette here. It's got a bunch of reds and some browns and some oranges in it. The next one we have here is Armed and Gorgeous. These have a lot of pretty fall colors in as well. Of course, the first two palettes, I noticed they both kind of have some oranges in them. So they're relatively close, but not really. The last two that I have, this one is called, what is this one called? Dark Magic is what I believe it's called here. And the last but not least is Armed and, nope, this isn't Armed and Gorgeous. I'm sorry, this is Bling Boss. I actually really like this one. As you can see, I tried swatching a few of them already, as I was saying before. So for today's palette that we're going to use the Dark Magic one here. Because I feel like maybe this might give the most payout as far as color. I was originally going to use that one as I was showing Bling Boss, but the swatches weren't that great. So we're just going to try this one. And also, in the name of fall, which is around the corner and my favorite season, we are going to use this one because I feel like it can give us a nice fall look that we're looking for. So my face is already done. As far as my foundation, my highlight, my concealer, everything is done. So we're just strictly going to focus on those eyes. So the color that we are going to use tonight is going to be Inside Job, which is just this dark green. I love greens and maroons and purples around fall time. So we are going to do that and see what we can get from it. Alright, so I'm gonna try my best to get the color payoff that I'm trying to get and give the best review possible. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on our lid. I've already primed everything as well, obviously, because my face is done. So we are going to go ahead and put that in our crease here. And this is a Morphe M504 brush, just in case you were wondering. I discovered this brush a little while ago for blending. I think it works great for blending. So we are going to just blend that out really nicely. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit more. Now, so far, I don't see anything wrong with this particular color. I did not swatch this color, so this is not one of the ones I was able to see if actually had some color payoff or not. So far, so good, and it seems to be spreading fairly well. All right, guys, so we're just gonna get a little bit closer. All right. Looks black on camera, but it is, I promise, guys, like a dark like emerald type of green-ish. So let's go ahead and continue to put that all over here. All right, guys, looking good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye without blocking you guys, sorry. And so far so good, guys. It's not looking too bad to me. To me, this seems to be a good color that's showing up fairly well. And that's exactly why I wanted to make my own opinion, because, you know, sometimes reviews are different for everybody. Something that works for somebody else may not work for the other person. Like I said, it could just be the color as well. Alright. Okay, guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more to that. And actually, I really love this color though. As I mentioned before, I love these certain kind of colors in fall. And I think the greens and the oranges and certain purples and like plum purples, I feel like are perfect for this time of year. Even though I live in Florida, so there are no seasons here, but I am from New York, so I am used to them. So that's not gonna die. I'm gonna continue to rock my makeup and everything else like I have seasons. I'll probably burn up and die in the process. Of course, I'm not gonna go to the extreme and put, like, you know, boots on and a jacket or nothing like that. But a lot of my ways of thinking have not changed since I moved. So those things are just embedded in me and they just ain't going nowhere. All right. So we are just gonna continue to blend, blend, blend. So far so good, guys. I'm not having too many complaints with the color and the blending out. Looks okay, looks great to me. So far so good. Everything is pretty much playing out the way that I would like it to. All right, so we are going to just go ahead and add a color to the middle there to complete our look. So like I said before, this is what it's looking like. It blended out pretty well. Of course, I'll blend it out just a little bit more. But so far, so good. So far, so good. And I have my handy dandy mirror here that'll let me know if something is not right. All right, guys. So the color that we are going to put in the middle and in the corner and on over is an individual color that I actually bought from Sephora. It's by Makeup Forever. It's like a peacocky color. It's very pretty, but it doesn't really tell you a name. Their shadows more so have a number, and I don't know the number. I bought it a little while ago, so I thought it would be kind of perfect to put with this shadow because they kind of match a little bit. It's a shimmer color, so we're gonna try that out. See how that's looking. I love this color. This is what it's looking like, guys. I really, really like this color a lot. I just actually bought it probably last year sometime, and I've never worn it. So this is my opportunity to wear it. Just kind of, sometimes I do that. I buy stuff at the heat of the moment and then I don't get a chance to wear them until a little bit later. Now, it does have a little bit of fallout here, but we can clean that up. And that's not from the Jaclyn palette, that's clearly from this one. So that's what it's looking like. So pretty. This is a great color, guys, especially like I said for fall. This is a great color. And I just love the color green on top of that. I think green is just a really great color. And guys, I will do another look, other looks for the other Jaclyn Hill palettes. I probably won't do a tutorial on them. I might just, you know, just post a look and put it on maybe Instagram. Unless, of course, you guys want me to do another look, which would be another video. So you guys can just comment below and let me know if you want me to do that. And we're just going to add a little bit more green to that, kind of fluff it out a little bit. Actually, let me just use a better brush here. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking like so far, and I'm really liking it. Of course, I've only, you know, experienced with the one color, but so far I feel like it is doing a great job of holding its end up, of blending, and it being having a nice color payoff. So I do feel like this particular color is very pigmented. All right, so this is what we're looking like between those two colors. Something simple, something nice, something for fall, not too over the top. A little bit of shimmer. I'm a glitter girl, but I can do shimmer. So this is what we're looking like, a nice little green look. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna put some of this on the bottom of my lash line as well. Let's see. Kind of smoke this out just a little bit. Okay, so now that I'm putting this on the bottom, it is giving me a little bit of leave out, but it's really hard to tell. It could be from the other one, so I won't blame it initially on this one because I really can't 100% tell. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. So I just need to get this excess off of my face, but let me go ahead and add my lashes, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we're back and we have our eyelashes on and the rest of our makeup done. So this is a simple look that I was going for with the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Makeup Forever shadow that I put on top. So just from that one palette and that one color, it looks like to me so far it blended out fairly well. I didn't have any issues with it, but then again, I've only used one color. So from the looks of that one color, everything looks pretty nicely done. So for me, guys, I don't necessarily have any complaints from that particular palette and that particular color. So I will do the other palettes at a later day and do looks for the other three. And we'll kind of see if if I get the same color payoff and the same payoff in general with the palette. Guys, just let me know how these things worked out for you. If you had luck, if you didn't have any luck, if you know the colors were chalky, if you found that there was a little bit of fallout, or if the colors just didn't pay off as well. Did Bling Boss work for you guys? Because for me, I didn't feel like it was that great from the colors that I did swatch on my arms before making the video. So once again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.